Welcome, here I've got HUAWEI Nova 9 and let me show you how to turn on and off camera location tags at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to right corner button to open camera settings, and here we have to set a little bit to general category. Now we can find the location tag option with short info from the device, that by using this we can tag photos and videos with location information. By using the button from the right we can easily turn it off and turn it on as we need. And also here the important thing is that to make it work correctly, when we want to save the actual location of our photo, we have to be connected with the internet, for example the Wi-Fi or mobile data, and we have to turn on the location of this device. So remember about these two parameters to make it work. Now let me keep turning on all of these settings. Let's move back to the camera to take a picture. To see it, let's go to left to the button that follows us straight to the gallery, and this is how my photo looks like. To check its location, we have to simply slide a little bit down, and here we get access to location with the map and the full address. So greetings from Kraków, Poland, and that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.